Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about string interpolation. Let me explain what exactly the string interpolation is. Firstly, the string interpolation is the process of injecting a value into a string using the placeholder. Okay, that means we are injecting a value into a string by using a placeholder. What is a placeholder? Now you are getting a doubt like what is the placeholder exactly. So placeholder is a variable to which we are going to assign that particular data or the value. Okay, in simple format we can say that string interpolation is a process of injecting a value into a placeholder, and placeholder is a variable to which we can assign the data or the value. So here you may get the doubt like how many ways we can inject the values into the placeholder, how many ways we can interpolate the string. So there are mainly three types which we use to interpolate the string, or there are three ways where we can create the placeholders in a string. So the first way is f strings, and the second way is dot percentile formatting, and the third and most important way is dot format. Okay, and the first way is f string. How we are going to interpolate the string using these f strings? Okay, so firstly let me explain why we want to interpolate the string and why we are using this. See, for example, here you can see that I have mentioned the name as Sri Vidyadhar. So if any one's name is like Sri Veera Venkata Satyanarayana Murthy or something like that, every time we cannot mention that hi, my name is this and I am working in this company or something like that, right? So if the name is very big, we can simply assign it to a variable and we can interpolate that, and we can use it in somewhere else wherever we want to use. Okay, this is the main advantage of string interpolation. So how we can interpolate the string using the f strings, we will come to know here. Okay, here we will use the f string, so to inject the value into the placeholder by mentioning in the flower brackets. Okay, for example let us see like first whatever the value we want to insert, we need to be mentioned it is in a variable. For example, name Sri Vidyadhar. So okay, I want to use this Sri Vidyadhar somewhere else in my string. So for that I am just using the interpolation format. So this f string interpolation, how we can use it, like, so print of f, and in the colons hi, my name is, and in the flower brackets whatever the variable we assign it to that particular data, that variable we need to mention here. So name, and here it is name. So then the output will be hi, my name is Vidyadhar. So here you can see, right? So first I mentioned name is like Sri Vidyadhar. So and print whatever I want, f first I will mention f, and then whatever I want I can use here, and I can call the variable in the flower brackets as name. So the output will be hi, my name is, that in place of flower brackets I am getting my name, exactly what my name is that I am getting. So at the same time you may get the doubt like why are we using only f, why can't we use any other alphabet? So what happens if we use any other alphabet? We will get an error. Simply it will throw an error if we use any other alphabet. So for example, see here I am used the print G in place of f, print G, hi, my name is something. So here it is mentioned like invalid syntax, so it will throw an error automatically if we use the unstructured format for interpolation. So we need to use just f to interpolate the string. And here comes the second method, percentile formatting. So in the same way, there we have used the f, and here we are using the percentile to inject the values into the placeholders. Okay, so we can interpolate the string using percentile formatting as below. Okay, so here first I have mentioned the name in a variable name. Okay, and then I just want to print hello, and where I want to print this string percentile is hello, after hello and before is I want to print this. So there I have mentioned percentile is, and hello percentile is my name. So and then I want to call that percentile, so it will be represented here. Okay, then after closing that string values, so we can call it by using percentile, and whatever the variable we have named it, for example here I have mentioned as name, so the same thing we can call it here. So you can see, right, the output will be hello percentile s is my name. So here the same thing we will get, hello Srividya is my name. Okay, and we can use this percentile for the float, for the int, and for the any complex also. So for example, percentile s is for the string. In place of s, if you want to represent any other integer or float or something like that, for integer it will be percentile I, for float it will be percentile f. If we required, we can change it and we can use that for that integer interpolation and float interpolation. Here comes the last interpolation format, that is dot format using the small brackets. So in the same way, like how we are used in the percentile, so in the same way we are using the dot format, and the main thing we need to mention here is, like, wherever we want to use the variable which we want, with the data or the name which we want, there we can mention as flower brackets. Okay, here you can see, right, for example here I want to use it hello my name is, then after I want to use my name, actual name, so there I am mentioning the flower bracket, and then how I am calling it, I am calling it like dot format and then name. So here you can see, right, first I have mentioned name here, and then I am calling it using the flower brackets, and then calling it by dot format name. So here is the output, hello my name is Srividya. Thanks, have a nice day.